Hey guys, welcome back to the Mastermind Backyard Barbecue. We're in this backyard. I'm the Mad Pit Master Ruben. Today, I have a 3-for-1 coming at you guys straight from San Diego, California, where it's approximately 1,437 degrees right now. It's pretty hot. So hydrate yourself, get some water, get some beer, do whatever it takes to help yourself. All right, 3-for-1, like I said. One of them is going to be a hack or maybe a whack. We're going to find out. Two of them is going to be a comparison between pull that membrane or leave the membrane, and use mustard as a binder or use a straight up rub. I'm gonna find out what's the deal between all those right there, and so are you. Check it out. All right guys, so I want to start this off trying to be as equal as I possibly can. So in doing so, I got two baby back ribs here that are identical in length and width and pretty damn close in weight. So this guy over here to the left is 3.65 pounds, a little bit over 3.5 pounds, versus 3.7. So, I mean, we're talking about not enough to make a huge difference at all. And once again, we're going to pull the membrane off of one of these. And once again, we're going to go ahead and bind one with yellow mustard, while the other one we just put the rub straight on and let it sweat that way. So I'm going to know the difference because I'm going to go ahead and use 2 hooks on one and 1 hook on the other. And that's going to be my telltale on which is which. All right, so let me get that done. And we're going to get to smoking these things. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and use the mustard on the rib that we put the membrane on. And then that's going to be my little binder rib. So let's do that. Was that you guys? Damn. Alright, we're going to let these sit. Sit. Alright, so as far as the hack part of this video, this has to do with me using the water pan inside there as an ash catcher, and I want to see how well that works, because it doesn't fully cover up these vents because the air can still go through, and I'm going to see if that works out. I mean, it's either going to be a hack or it's going to be whack, whatever it is. But imagine if the ashes fall in there, and how easy it would be just to pull out the water pan and dump the ashes that way. So it's just something I want to check out. So let me see. Level this out a little bit. There it is. And there it is. I mean, I'm going to try it out. What do I got to lose? All right, so the one with 2 hooks is the mustard, is the binder rib, and the one with 1 hook is the other rib. So I decided to leave the membrane on the one that doesn't have a binder, because I'm so used to not having binders on my ribs that I would be able to tell if there's a big difference in, you know, in the chew, or how the meat poos from the rib by having the membrane on. So that's why I chose that one. But we'll see if any of this makes a difference or not. Also, as another tip, whether you have a WSM or a PBC, when you're leaving your accessories inside, you make it that much more difficult to hang stuff while these are getting to temp. These are getting really, really hot. You get what I'm saying? So if you have your rebar in there and your pit barrel cooker, and then you're trying to hang your ribs, you go up against that rebar, you're gonna burn yourself. If you wait till your cooker gets to temp, or, you know, whenever you're ready, then you hang your ribs as you put your rebar in there, or as you put your rib hanging accessory, then this is still cold, or room temperature, or whatever you want to call it, and you're not going to get burned. You could just put it on there and you'll be all right. So that's, I leave this out while my smoker is heating up. So here's the one that did not have any mustard, but has the membrane attached. All right, let's see. That was a clean bite. Right off the bone. And those rubs are good. I can see the membrane there, and it doesn't, well, here it is. I mean, it pulls right off. I don't know if that's really an issue or not. I guess that's a preference. Let me see if this thing tastes good or anything. I mean, there's people who love eating cartilage. This is chewy, but if I may say, I can see myself chewing on it. This is some good stuff. There's a lot of flavor in this membrane. That's pretty good. This is the mustard. This is the one with the binder. Let's see if there's any taste, any difference. Holy cow. Oh my God. I taste a big difference. Whoa. Hold up. Here we go. Take a bite of that, just off camera. Go ahead. This is with, that's this one. No binder. Okay, has a membrane, but at this point I ate it all. Doesn't mean nothing. The membrane part don't even mean nothing. Okay, you got that? How'd that taste? Say it.
You good?
Okay. Here's the one with the mustard. It has a binder. Ooh, that's for Blue. Take this out. I'm gonna give her some real quick. Have a bite. They can't hear you.
Better.
Better, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you something. I've used a binder a few times, not enough to really taste the difference, but this right here tastes better. And it tastes better at the bark. There's something there. I mean, I know a lot of you guys say you don't taste the mustard, and you're absolutely right. I'm not tasting mustard, but I'm tasting something there, and I like it. Man. I don't know. I call this a win. Yep. I like it.